Looking for a breakfast option that's both delicious and gluten-free? These sweet potato waffles are the perfect start to your day. With a soft and fluffy texture, they're not just healthy but also packed with flavor. Each bite will transport you to a cozy brunch spot, all from the comfort of your kitchen. Imagine waking up to the smell of freshly made waffles, golden brown and crisp on the outside, yet tender and delightful on the inside. These sweet potato waffles are a delightful twist on a classic breakfast favorite, combining the natural sweetness of sweet potatoes with a hint of cinnamon for a comforting morning treat. The appeal of sweet potato waffles. Sweet potato waffles bring a unique twist to breakfast, combining nutrition and flavor in every bite. The golden brown exterior and fluffy interior offer a delightful textural contrast that makes them a favorite for many. These waffles not only satisfy your taste buds, but also provide a hearty boost of vitamins and minerals, thanks to the sweet potatoes. Their natural sweetness means you can enjoy them with minimal added sugars, making them a guilt-free indulgence. Perfecting the texture. Achieving the perfect waffle texture is key. The crispiness on the outside paired with the soft, airy inside creates a satisfying experience that makes you want to go back for seconds. The inclusion of gluten-free flour helps maintain this lightness while ensuring everyone can partake in the deliciousness. By carefully mixing the wet and dry ingredients, you can avoid overmixing, which often leads to denser waffles. The result is a stack of waffles that rise beautifully in the waffle maker, ready to soak up your favorite toppings. Customizing your waffle toppings. The versatility of sweet potato waffles allows for a variety of toppings to suit your mood or dietary preferences. A drizzle of maple syrup enhances the natural sweetness of the waffles, while fresh berries add a burst of color and freshness to the plate. For those looking to add a little indulgence, a sprinkle of powdered sugar can transform the presentation, making your breakfast feel like a special occasion. You can also experiment with other toppings such as yogurt, nut butter, or even a dollop of whipped cream. Pairing suggestions. These waffles pair beautifully with a range of beverages, enhancing the breakfast experience. A steaming cup of coffee complements the waffles perfectly, cutting through the sweetness and offering a rich balance to your meal. If you prefer something lighter, a cup of herbal tea can provide a refreshing contrast. For a more indulgent option, a smoothie infused with fruits and greens can round out the meal, ensuring you're fueled for the day ahead. The perfect breakfast experience. Setting the scene for enjoying your sweet potato waffles can elevate the entire experience. Imagine a rustic wooden table adorned with your delightful stack of waffles, a fork patiently waiting to dive in, and a warm cup of coffee nearby. This cozy setup invites you to slow down and savor each bite, making breakfast a moment to cherish rather than a rushed affair. Whether for a family gathering or a quiet morning alone, these waffles promise to bring joy to the table. Health benefits of sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are packed with nutrients that contribute to overall health. They are rich in vitamins A and C, promoting good vision and immune function, respectively. Their high fiber content aids digestion and helps keep you feeling full longer. Incorporating sweet potatoes into your breakfast routine with these waffles not only satisfies your cravings, but also supports your health goals. Enjoying them regularly can contribute to a balanced diet without sacrificing taste. These gluten-free sweet potato waffles are light, crispy on the outside, and soft on the inside. They offer a subtly sweet flavor, enhanced by warm spices, making them a perfect choice for breakfast or brunch. Ingredients. 1 cup mashed sweet potatoes, about 1 medium potato. 2. 1 cup gluten-free all-purpose flour. 3. 1 tablespoon baking powder. 4. 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon. 5. 1/2 teaspoon salt. 6. 2 large eggs. 7. 1 cup milk, dairy or non-dairy. 8. 2 tablespoons melted coconut oil or butter. 9. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. 10. Maple syrup or toppings of choice for serving. Instructions. 1. Prep the sweet potatoes. Start by peeling and boiling the sweet potato until tender. 1. Mash it until smooth and let it cool slightly. 2. Mix dry ingredients. In a large bowl, whisk together the gluten-free flour, baking powder, cinnamon, and salt. 3. Combine wet ingredients. In another bowl, Beat the eggs and then add the milk, melted coconut oil, and vanilla extract. 3. Mix in the mashed sweet potatoes until well combined. 4. Combine mixtures. Pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients and mix until just combined. 4. Avoid overmixing. 5. Preheat waffle maker. Preheat your waffle maker according to the manufacturer's instructions. 5. Grease lightly if needed. 6. Cook waffles. Pour the batter into the preheated waffle maker, using the recommended amount for your specific model. 6. Cook until golden brown and crispy. 7. Serve. Remove the waffles and serve warm with maple syrup or your favorite toppings. Cook and prep times. 1. Prep time, 15 minutes. 2. Cook time, 20 minutes. 3. Total time, 35 minutes. Nutrition information. 1. Servings. 4 waffles. 2. Calories, 150 kcal.